Ollie, and he has a company called Better Plants, and just produces something in this country that is really, really good. So this is a cold processed seaweed extracted liquid seaweed fertilizer. So without any chemicals, without any additions, he produces this brilliant fertilizer that I use in my own garden. It's only got the good stuff in it, made in this country, so no air miles or anything like that. And it's good for, he has one for roses, he has one for tomatoes, and this is just a general fertilizer.
Put it in, just kind of covering all bases kind of idea. One I would prefer to have, actually, from that point of view, for trace elements minerals is seaweed. I haven't got any here. You can buy seaweed in powder, and if you can get it as a green powder, there's a company in Ireland called Better Plants, I think, who sell seaweed powder, make it in a very low heat way, and I had good results from that last year. I've used it all up now.